Come off the elevator. We're on the 8th floor, so top floor. I don't know if that's our apartment number, but here's our apartment. So you can try out the water pressure. So that is our main bathroom with our washer, which is a pretty good size. Shower. Master bedroom with a TV. Big wardrobe, 2 of them. It also has an attached bath. Just got here, so I don't know where anything is. So, attached bathroom. Hi. And it has its own little deck with our dryer and a gate to keep it dark in here. Hello again. Come back. And we have a desk, which I love. Sitting area, which has 2 couches. Awesome. Dining area. A really big kitchen. Our oven, dishwasher, microwave. All our cabinets, our stove, a semi-American sized fridge, a spare bedroom that we don't need, but and a crib so we can have a baby while we're here. And goes to our deck. And he told us that this is normally a holiday rental, so we're like the only people in the building. Which might be creepy, but we'll find out. So this is our balcony, which is pretty big. It's 2-seater, and then this really nice table area. Slightly raining. The mountain view to the left. Semi-water view to the right. And chickens and roosters. And it's very Caribbean-like. And the building, you don't know if things are abandoned or under construction, but quiet area. Streets don't have names, so we just had to figure out where we live. Okay, we just got here like 10 minutes ago, and I'm going to unpack my bag. If you care to watch, you can. It's mainly for my own memories later. I've got my raincoat that we bought in Spain because we didn't pack raincoats. Shopping bag. A million baggies so we don't have to buy them. We bought hot red pepper flakes because we really needed those in Spain also. And some Target bags. And my only other pair of shoes. Got my tennis shoes and my sandals. Alright. Important paper folder. And there you got deodorant, our extra contacts. I bought a sink washcloth because sometimes we don't have those. My brush, my airplane socks because my feet freeze. And then toiletries, mainly makeup. And I packed a lot this time. I got, what are these called? Oh, pajamas. a lot of wet wipes to take with us because they don't have soap. I bought a bathing suit, don't know if I'll need it. My hair towel. My long sleeve shirt. I packed a lot. One black t-shirt, and then I packed 1, 2, 3, 4 other t-shirts, which is a lot for me. I also have obviously the clothes I have on, and a thin black cardigan that I brought. I didn't bring a jacket, for better or worse. I brought my little skirt and shorts. Jason's making coffee if you hear noise. Soap, tissues. Have some lady supplies because I heard they might be hard to get here based on religion. And that's all I'll go into for that. Sorry, can't do this with one hand. So this little bag is, I brought a washcloth because they don't really exist here. My soap pillowcase because I hate scratchy pillows. And then these are socks, underwear, sports bras, blah, blah, blah. And then I actually packed in advance, so I don't even know what I brought. I don't think I brought another pair of pants, even though I was going to. So let's see what we got. I did bring them. Yay! I really didn't think they came. So these are like my black travel pants. Thin, stretchy, like outside walking activity shorts. Pair of capri workout pants. 2 tank tops, which are what I work out in at home. So it'll be workout or wear. What is this? Oh, a long sleeve black shirt. I forgot I had that. That's exciting. My romper. We will have our anniversary while we're here, so it might need to look nice. And then I'll probably never wear this, but it's my Costco black dress. You can't tell by me hanging it up. But since we are in like beach areas, I feel like I might wear stuff like that more. So there's everything I have. Oh, I lied. I also unpack my day bag, so you get a true vision of what I had. So I bought this bag new for this trip, and I love it. Because we're traveling in buses, we needed something we could put our electronics in that didn't get thrown in the back of a bus. So this is our solution. So here's my cardigan. I've got my laptop, Jason's Surface, makeup-y, medicine, that kind of stuff. The other bag of toiletries, face wash, lotion, an empty bottle that I brought from the hotel, money, let's see what else, bottle of water that I need to drink. So you can't drink the water in Albania, so we buy water, which will probably be our first adventure today because we don't really have any. And I have my Kindle, reading glasses, plastic bag, I'm a hoarder, headphones, there's a little notepad and 2 pens, chapstick, lotion for the plane, everything in there. And here I think I just have more tissues and hand wipes. And I packed total backpack, nothing in there. We also have 2 fold-up grocery bags that we bring, and I'm forgetting something. I have another bag that I just carry every day with sunglasses, another pair of reading glasses, and that's it. So Jason's already, there's his bag, and there's some underwear, and then this is like everything he brought in one drawer. He definitely underpacks, but that leaves room for all of our electronics, which he carries. Oh, there's more junk. Electronics bags, so cords and crap. He's in charge of all that, so I don't know what it is. All right, grocery bags, which I love. Oh, my hat. I brought my hat. Oh, medicine. Medicine. Glasses. Retainer. More electronics. So we did get a Fire stick. Fire stick? Fire stick. For TV, although our TV is supposed to have Netflix, but so did Spain. Snacks and coffee. That's Jason's little airplane bag with hardly anything in it. And that's his medicines. So that's everything for 10 weeks.